This is the video for the EV installation at 18 Balby Road. The meters there, at that point, and what I propose is the box there. Cable will run down where those other cables are going down there, which will then go under the kitchen floor, coming out where those are. We then run along the wall. These will be the cupboards, the shelves and everything will be removed. Go through the wall where the vacuum cleaner is, and then into this shed here, going along the back. Everything will be removed again for access, and will come out by those water butts, which again can be removed. The shed can't, that's the only thing, and it will run down by along that access there. Go down the wall, through all on the wall behind the plants, keep going down underneath those plants which can be removed. This will be trimmed back, ending up either on that wall back there, or if possible brought out onto this pillar here.